Okay, we have finished grilling these. One big difference on these was they definitely took on a nice sear pretty quickly, but they are just oozing juices. So unlike our previous steaks that we did that we just put in the salt for the 3-day brining, these guys are very moist on the outside. And yeah, food. Oh, fork, yes. And it looks like I have trenched these in oil or something, and I have not. So that's definitely a big difference. With the 3-day, thanks, buddy. With the 3-day, you theoretically shouldn't. No, can you wait? Do you want a piece?
Yeah.
Okay, let me cut you a piece. Okay, where's your fork? Pass me your fork. Here, I'll help. You can have this piece. There you go. You got it? It's hot. Blow on it first. Is it still very hot? Okay. Well, we'll give it a little bit longer before we do more, okay? So my dad is trying to cut a few pieces.
Like meat.
You like meat?
Like meat.
Yeah.
Like meat.
You like meat?
Like meat.
Okay. I'm not sure, but I think he likes meat. So we've got several different ones. They look about the same inside. This little piece got a little more cooked than the others. That's okay. This is our miso. This is our fish sauce, and this is the salt and pepper fish sauce equivalent here. And so we'll try a little bit here. This is the salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Here, you can have this piece. That's a piece for Orion. Okay. Probably a little bit too dry. No, Dada's going to do the cutting, buddy. It's a little bit dry. It's a little bit chewy. It's a little bit salty. So, the fish sauce one. Oh, that was from the very dry. That was from the very end that was exposed while cooking. Oh. The fish sauce still has some of the fish sauce flavor. Let's take a piece from the middle. Much more tender in the middle. Not too salty. But the fish sauce flavor does come through on that. I don't like the fish sauce personally.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, the salt and sugar, when you're more in the middle of it, it's actually nice and tender in the middle. It's really nice, actually, texture-wise. I think the extra day of drying left this pretty crisp on the outside. Yes, buddy, I do hear ya. And then the miso.
Dada. Hot. Hot.
Oh. Actually, you know what?
Hot.
This steak got cooked a little bit more than the others.
Dada.
This steak got cooked a little bit more than the others. But it's still nice and tender. I actually like the flavor of the miso in parts to it, but it is definitely that miso kind of almost a beer type of flavor, a fermented grain type of flavor. So it's good, but it's interesting.
Yeah.
Maybe you want to try a fish. That's the fish sauce version.
Yeah. Fish sauce.
Pretty good. It definitely does have fish sauce.
Fish sauce.
Yep.
And
No, fish sauce flavor really
Fish
stuck
sauce.
with it, huh?
fish sauce.
Yeah.
This one's the salt and sugar. The fish sauce equivalency, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And between those, I don't really notice a difference in texture, right?
No.
Which was part of the question. That is your piece, Orion. Go ahead.
Yeah. It tastes a little salty.
Yeah, I had a salty bite and then a not so salty bite.
Salty.
Yeah.
Salty.
But I agree, it did come across a little more salty flavor-wise here and there. But it was a little more sporadic. But texture-wise, it seems about the same.
Yep.
This one is the miso.
The miso flavor
Yummy miso.
definitely came through with that, which I personally really like.
Mm-hmm.
It actually has it almost makes me think of popcorn too for some reason. Flavor in it.
Okay. It makes me think of maybe popcorn with brewer's yeast.
Yeah. And it seems like